Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Xero AI for automated invoice data capture. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the dashboard. On the left-hand menu, select Business. Click on Invoices from the drop-down options. Locate and select Configure Invoice Data Capture. You will see a button labeled Get Started. Click on it. Next, review the overview of automated invoice data capture. Click Continue to move to the configuration settings. Choose the types of invoices you want to capture. Select your preferred data fields to be extracted from the invoices. Ensure you include fields like invoice number, date, total amount, and line items. Click Next to proceed to the next section. Now, choose your preferred data sources. Select whether you want to upload invoices directly or pull from a connected email inbox. If pulling from an email, integrate your email account with Xero. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once the connection is set, click Next. Review your configuration settings on the summary page. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing. Click on Finish to complete the setup. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that configuration is successful. Test the feature by uploading a sample invoice. Monitor the system for accuracy and data capture. Make sure to periodically check and adjust settings as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.